Hi friends, welcome to your Eagle Public Library Saturday STEAM class, where today we are going to make bird feeders for you and enough for you to share with all your friends and neighbors. So the birds will not go hungry around here this year. All the supplies and things you need are posted on our blog. So follow along with me and I will show you the simplest way to do it. That's so fun. Some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need flour. You are going to need, let me put some down here. You're going to need some birdseed. I've got just some wild bird food here. You're going to need a little bit of light corn syrup, some non-flavored gelatin, some mason lids, and twine. And that's it. Throw in some scissors to cut your twine and a little bit of parchment paper so you don't get too messy on your table, and you are good to go. So look up those supplies on our blog if you need more clarification on that, but let's go ahead and get started. So first you're going to take your flour, and my recipe calls for 3/4 cup. This recipe will make 12, so you will need 12 lids. If you want to just make 6, you can have the recipe in half and make a few for yourself and some for your friends. So go ahead and add, I'm gonna make mine a little bit smaller today, just so that we can, just for purposes of my sample, but go ahead and add your 3/4 cup flour into your bowl. You're gonna add your bird seed, 3½ cups of your wild bird seed, or whatever kind of bird seed you want. You're going to add 1 envelope gelatin. Let's go ahead and put that in the bowl. It's always fun to mix and get messy. You're going to do 1/2 cup of water. So go ahead and add your water in. See, we've got a nice little concoction going here. And then you're just going to go ahead and take those 5 ingredients and mix them up. So get those all nice into a yummy, yummy paste. And you want it really so that it'll hold together. So you really can't mess the recipe up too much, but you do want it to stick. Okay, once you get those all thoroughly mixed, you're going to take your mason jar lid and you are going to cut some twine, ribbon, string, and attach it to your lids. And you want it long enough so it can hang on the branch of your tree. So go ahead and tie those on, and then you're going to lay your mason jars onto some parchment paper. And this is where the magic begins. Go ahead and take those, and you're just gonna go ahead and fill these up. So take your mix, you can get your hands all messy if you'd like. You know, that's my favorite part. Push those into the lids and just press down till you have a really tight bird feeder there. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is so much fun. You can make this outside on a sunny day on your outside patio with your family. Okay, let's go ahead and your neighbors are going to be so excited to have a little fun spring gift from you to help feed all the birds. Okay. Get those pressed in really good. If you need a little bit more mixture, you can always add a drop of water. You don't want it too runny. Gonna press those in. Just leave them. And those are gonna sit, let me wash my hands here. Those are gonna sit for a day to harden. If you wanted to decorate the outside of this with like a ribbon or anything, you could certainly do that. That would be super pretty. And press those in, they will harden, and when they are all dry by the next day, they are ready to hang up outside and to give away as gifts. So I hope you have fun making some bird feeders for yourself and some friends. And thank you for joining us for our Saturday STEAM. Don't forget that all the instructions are on the blog. Thanks so much, and we will see you next week.